We should be fine if we take our time, so we've decided we're going to continue on, just take it slow.
Oh, the elevators are broken there.
Oh, really?
Well,
Can you believe it?
I don't know. Yeah. I'm looking at the...
Shh, museum voice people. Ooh, so creepy. This is so cool. Look at that awesomeness. That's amazing.
It's natural.
Yeah, no, it's not natural, but they did a great job on the pathway here. It's very smooth. Out of the darkness he comes. Ooh, look at the crystal. It's like a vein of crystal.
I seen an orange thing back there.
Yeah, that's quartz right there.
I can hear you. But you gotta stop crying. Stop crying.
Oh, you're almost too tall for it. Wow, I'm too tall for it a little bit. I feel claustrophobic. Wow, that goes way down there. Ooh. Look at this. Oh, cool. Wow, look at that. That's where we came from.
I know, we have plenty of time coming back up.
Just keeps on going and going and going. So look at the stalactite on the ceiling. That's pretty cool. That's how we have to go when we head back up. It's beautiful here though.
I'm just going to find a cave to go live in.
I will wait for the elevator to get fixed.
And I'll wait for the elevator to get fixed.
Yeah, I know, right? We'll just camp down here till the elevator gets fixed. So we have another path here, but it's blocked off, so we're thinking maybe it was an old path. We just entered another cave, and there's a guided tour going on down there. Can't really see. What is that? Oh, about the stalactites and stalagmites. There we go. What are they? Oh, dark side. Isn't that beautiful?
At this point in time, there is the exit gate right on over here, and I'm going to kind of give you some directions. Some strangers may encourage this because of the elevator runs might be too long when we get to them. So the hike up takes about 40-ish minutes. It's pretty steep, but then it flattens out. It's a lot. It varies. But
So these right here with the do not enter, these paths are for certain tours. They're ranger tours that they take them on. Looky, looky. So here's some old stairs. I guess this is how they did it back in the day. It's pretty cool looking. So it's saying that the early tours took about 5 hours to do. Oh, that's a long time. So cool here. Wow, I don't know. That's weird. Brick in the middle of caves.
There's a big power box on the other side.
Oh.
So it's not so ugly, I guess.
Okay.
Need one of the what?
Segways.
Oh yeah. Electric power. Look at that. Isn't that cool?
And they're gonna be able to fix them.
The elevators are still down?
Yeah. But they're working on them, hopefully, right?
I think we are.
I hope that's
Good. So cool here. Ooh, look at that rock from the ceiling. That's neat. Look, it's like a room. Big old spacious room down here. So we made it to the intersection where everything is. Rest stop. It's a big room, goes that way. And then there's restrooms, I believe, that way in the restaurant. Elevators. This is where the elevators are, and they're not working. So here is a photo booth and there's some gift shops. They used to have a restaurant down here. Oh, I think it's over there. And here's the restrooms. There's Terry by the restrooms. Hey, girl. That is the restaurant right there, and they have tables over here for people to eat at. So yeah, the elevators are broken, so...
And
But they have 2 elevators here, so it must be a power issue, because both elevators are down.
so the 12 o'clock tour has been pushed to 1:15, and the 1:30 tour has been canceled. So I don't know if anybody bought tickets for the tour.
If you want some t-shirts or helmets with lights on them, or whatever those things are hanging from the ceiling, they definitely have them. If you're wondering what the bat flight looks like, this is it. It's pretty cool. Turkey sandwich. And the what?
The background is because it has such high amounts of nitrogen, phosphate, potassium, has always been mined as fertilizer, but now it's increasingly sought after by organic farmers.
Oh yeah, I heard it's very fertile.
If you don't see me tomorrow, it's because I can't move.
Because you had to walk all that way back up? Yeah. Oh god, there goes the brightness. Am I on? Am I on? So we are dining in a cave. This is my first time dining in a cave. Turkey sandwich. Okay, that's right. Look at how that rock up there is just touching barely. That's pretty cool. Yeah, that does look like it could be the moon's surface at night and not underground. So we are getting ready to enter the big room. Ooh, big room.
It looks like an angel.
That's what I was just gonna say. It does look like an angel.
Turn that thing off so I can tell you what I think it looks like.
What thing?
Your camera recording.
What? Oh my goodness. It's a cave vagina. I know that's what you're thinking, Ross. Awesome. More awesomeness.
Waiting for Gollum to come out.
Gollum. My precious. You are now in the big room, the largest known natural limestone chamber in the Western Hemisphere. Pretty cool. So we are here. There's Halls of Giants, Crystal Spring Dome, Rocks of Ages, and Lower Cave. And this is the big cave here, Bottomless Pit. Ooh, Bottomless Pit. Oh my god, I got dripped on. Look at that, that's cool. Ooh. That's what dripped on me. Yeah. That looks pretty deep, but that's not the bottomless pit yet. We haven't made it to it. What the freak is that?
Ross, does that look familiar?
Have a seat, ladies.
Sit and spin is another
Oh
term
my
that comes to
goodness.
mind.
Wow. Look, another big hole. What was that, lady?
This is a family show, Aja.
What?
Does it feel like your teeth are not? It doesn't. I know.
Oh wow, this is awesome. Stringer.
Should have brought flashlights.
So that was a lion's tail that we were looking at. Look at that thing right there.
It almost looks alive.
Yeah.
The three massives. I don't even know how to make that word.
The three massive speleothems in front of you are the largest in the cave.
These giants began as small deposits on the cavern floor.
You do that very well, sir.
Yes, you do.
Gradual accumulation of calcite from dripping water caused them to grow the height and girth.
Thank you, Ross.
Oh, there's a term for that. Yeah, it's their vegetation, actually.
Look.
These are water drops.
Oh yeah, they are. What is this?
Fairyland. Popcorn covered stalagmites.
Ooh. Popcorn.
Yeah. Danny, right here.
Or water drops.
Because if you look at
That's
this one,
the
So-
calcium that forms the end. Some
Right.
don't drop and it deposits the calcium.
Oh,
Or
cool.
calcite.
like watch my.
Oh, where's your finger? Oh, there. Oh, yeah. It's cool. Where's the pool? I don't see no pool. So it says Carvern pools. I don't really see anything.
It's all the water's gone.
Yeah. Huh.
Are we in Arizona again?
Are we in it?
The pool below you, like others in the cave, is fed by dripping water. No streams flow in or out, and contaminants cannot be washed away.
Got a beard. He's like an Oriental man. He's got a
Wait,
head.
oh, yeah, the Oriental man, yeah.
Oriental man
Hold on, let me zoom in.
with the beard.
Okay.
And then his like
Shine your light on
ribs.
the Oriental man.
And then he's got legs down below.
see an
His
Asian
scissors.
man.
No, that one right
No,
there. Up, right there. Yeah,
Right?
oops. No, no,
Down,
no.
down,
Right there, yeah.
Over to the left.
Yep.
Right there.
Yep, that's it.
YouTubers killed.
YouTubers impaled by stalactite.
That's what the name of your video is going to be?